Hey guys, welcome back to Boggs Projects, and today we're going to be fixing this. Those shocks are most likely original, so they're going to be starting on this side, just replacing all these shocks, and get right to it. Alright, to get started we just need to jack the car up, and then we're going to be taking the wheel off. And setting this wheel underneath here for safety. Then what we need to do is come up top, and right here is the strut tower cover. So see, unbolt these two bolts, which we've already done, and off comes this cover. It's like this, and here's your bolt and your bushings. This bolt right here, we just need to remove by holding the shock and unbolting it using a 17 millimeter. So when you're removing the strut, it will start to fall, so we need to just put a brace right under here just to relieve some of this pressure off of this nut, just so we can take it out. Alright, so after unloosening this, you can just go ahead and take it off, and also remove this these two bushings and one washer, and there's your top of your strut here, and up here we're all done. So now we just need to come here on this side, and we need to unbolt this bolt right here with a 14 millimeter socket. All right, and with this bolt coming off, your strut might come off easily. Ours might not. And also off comes a washer. It's facing this way. Put that on there. And then you're gonna have to do something to get that off. Okay, so just pull that shock off, and out it comes, just like that. And then you can go ahead and grab your new shock and line it up and throw it in. All right, here is our KYB gas just shocks, and here they are. It's brand new. Comes with a shock, some instructions, and some extra hardware so you can freshen everything up. So now with the shock fully unboxed, this is what we have to do. So it comes with these two bushings, and or this bushing, this washer looks just like that, and then this bushing as well, with no divots or anything like that. And these just go together just like this, and then they just set right on top of there, just like that. Then once you put this up into here, you're gonna want to assemble this set of things right here. And so we have this washer with that little lip on there, that's gonna go down, face down, and then we have this bushing and this indent right here that's gonna go up, and then we have this big washer, it's gonna go right on top, and that is gonna go on top of here when we put this in there. This, and then this nut, it's gonna seat right into here, just like that.
Boom.
So after you guide the shock up in there, and you throw your bushing and your nut on top of there, you can just tighten it down just enough to where it'll hold it, and it'll look just like that. Now we have the shock in there, it doesn't line up here, so we're just gonna be lowering this down until it does line up. So it's probably good. And then it just slides into there, and we can throw our final nut on there that we took off at the beginning, and the washer. It's like that. I think it was the other way. The washer went the other way.
Like that?
Yeah.
I think you're right.
And then you grab your 14mm socket and wrench. And not the 14. You can tighten that down. Okay, so now we fully tighten this down, so it looks just like that. Looks just like stock, just with some new bushings and washers on there. Now we just need to throw this final cover and these 2 screws on there, lower the car down, and there we go. Okay guys, this is the result of both the shocks being fully brand new. Just did everything on both sides that what we just showed you. So here's this side. And then here's this side. It's a little better.